Hi friends, today in this video we'll talk about how to display the selected day value within a particular date range. So let's head over to Power BI desktop. So as you can see, now we have two tables. So one is our date table, which is a date dimension table, and second table, which is a order table. So orders table is our fact table. That particular table contains the order ID and the details about the orders, the product, and also the sales. So today in this video we'll display the sales based on the slicer selection. So first of all, we'll create one measure table where we'll put all the measures. Okay, so now I'll create one measure which will be the total sales measure, where I'll take the sum of sales. So I'll create one table visual. Here I'll put our measure, and in the X I'll put the dates. So here as you can see, we have the total sales value for all the dates, and I'll create one date slicer as well. So here we have selected the dates. So suppose if I'll select any particular dates, so that uh, it will display the sales based on the this particular date range. But we want to display the total sales based on whatever we'll choose in the max date option. So I'll create one measure for that. So it will be total sales for that selected day. So first of all, we'll use calculate. In calculate, will the expression will be the total sales, and then we'll use filter function. In that, I'll specify the date table. So the expression will be the day of date. It should be equals to the day of whatever the date we'll select. So to calculate the selected date, first of all we'll create one variable where we'll calculate the max date. So the max date will be the calculate max date, and then we'll use all selected. So whatever the date we'll select in that particular date table, it will only display that particular date data. So this particular variable will return the maximum date whatever the date we'll select. So calculate the total sales and the filters, and in the filters we have specified the date table, and in the date table the date column, and for the date column we just want the days for all the dates. So the day should be equals to the max of date. So here we are calculating the total sales for all the dates which are equals to the maximum date, and maximum date means the day of the maximum date. So if I'll select 15th of January, so all the days for each month it will show the only 15th day of data. So I'll just hit OK, and I'll put the measure here. I'll remove the total sales from here. So as you can see, our maximum date is 4th of uh, okay, our maximum date is 4th of January. So it is showing only 4th day of data for each month within this particular date range. So suppose if I'll change this minimum date, and if I'll change the maximum date, I'll select the 25th. So it is showing all the months 25th day of data. So that's how you can display the particular day of data within particular date range. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the video.